Hey everybody, Jordan here, the PH is silent, and Beadle and Grimm sent me this wonderful collector's box for old adventures in Dungeons & Dragons. This one specifically is Dungeon Module S1 Tomb of Horrors by Gary Gygax, adventure for characters levels 10 to 14. So we're going to open it up and see what is in this collector deck box thing. All right, so it looks like there's a magnet there or something. Oh, and the coin fell out, but it definitely has like a snap shut. So it comes with this collector coin. And so this is Tomb of Horrors. And on the back it has 50th anniversary, Beadle and Grimm's, D&D, TM. So, I mean, if you're into coins, I like coins for when you finish a campaign, you can be like, here's a collectible coin for like, you remember finishing the campaign with all of your friends. You can have that like little memory token. It would be a little expensive to buy these for all of your friends, but it would be kind of neat. So it comes with that coin. It also comes with some cards. So what do we have here? So this is a Serac the Lich. This is some of the art from the original module. I mean, these are in some plastic sleeves. And if we flip it over, it's got more information on it. So Gary Gygax Tomb of Horrors originally used at the 1975 Origins 1 convention. And then we have a new photo of a Serac there. And this is another one. So Advanced Dungeons & Dragons, the Stone Juggernaut. This is a giant elephant thing that can squash your players if you've ever played it. And then the updated art. Little information on the Stone Juggernaut. My favorite, which is the face of the Green Devil. And then the cover of the Green Devil, the same face is on the cover of Tomb of Annihilation, which is heavily influenced by all of that other fun stuff. So, and then last but not least, which one's this? Oh, this is a Serac the Demi-Lich. And some more information on him, who's on the 2014 Dungeon Master's Guide. So, Tomb of Horrors. So these are just some, like, cards. They're just collectible cards. I don't know. You could do all kinds of cool stuff with them. And then we get some dice, and then we can take out this, and you have like a pretty sweet dice tray. It came with these dice. Beadle and Grimm have been making, well, they don't know if they make them specifically, but they've been making dice for a while now. It looks like you get a larger D20, which the 20 has the face. Oh, so there's a 1, and then the 20 is the Green Devil face, although kind of hard to see. We have percentile dice, a D10, D6, D12, D4, and D8. And then also, it's just a regular D20. So there's like a larger one and then a smaller one. And I mean, it's pretty fun. Like, this, I don't know if this is, for the right person, this is cool. And if you have a Dungeons & Dragons friend who you think would like to collect certain things, especially older modules, then this is definitely like a fun collector's piece to kind of put on your shelf and enjoy. And that's probably what I'll be doing with it, is showing it off to friends, putting it on my shelf next to my original copy of the Tomb of Horrors, and having fun. So that's it. Very short video. Just wanted to highlight this and thank Beadle and Grimm for sending me this product. I thought it was super neat, and as a D&D collector guy, it's fun. So I'll see you guys all in the next video.